The following video will provide you with some pro tips from us here at OCPT to help with stubborn sensation of tightness in the hip flexors. The first exercise is alternating marches with the mini band. Begin with the mini band over the top of your feet and alternate marching back and forth, slow and controlled, keeping your back straight and avoiding any rounding in the back. You will feel this in your hip flexors and front of the hip. The second exercise is a straight leg raise over a block. Anything can work here, such as a book or a yoga block that's about 2 inches height. You'll begin by keeping your back flat against the wall, core tight, and doing straight leg raises over that block back and forth. You will feel this again in the hip flexors and the front of the hip. Avoid rounding of your back or arching. The final exercise is an alternating hip isometric with mini band. Begin in tabletop position with the mini band across the top of your feet, and you will alternate kicks. Be careful to keep your back flat on the ground and keep your abdominals engaged throughout this entire exercise. You will feel this in the hip flexors and lower abdominals. As you fatigue, make sure not to arch your back. For more great tips on how to alleviate hip flexor tightness, follow us on YouTube or on our Instagram here at OCPT.